Just imagine a future where your bank account grows effortlessly and where properties you own work for you and bringing in a steady stream of income. Well, that future can be yours, and it all begins with these 5 simple tips. Whether you are a complete newbie or a seasonal investor looking to up your game, these tips will give you the edge you need. So let's get started on your journey to becoming a real estate investment pro. Well, tip number 1 is know your neighborhood. Value of your property is not just about the building itself, but also about the environment it is in. That's why tip number 1 is all about knowing your neighborhood inside and out. Research, research, and research. Delve into the community's history, amenities, and crime rates. Even though the crime rate in Dubai is very low, again, consider these points and the overall vibe of the area. Understand what attracts people to the area, as this will significantly impact your property's value. Tip number 2, check for the future development plans. Picture this: a new shopping mall, a tech hub, or a trendy entertainment district moving next door. Exciting, right? Well, that excitement can translate to a lot of money in your pocket. Connect with an experienced real estate agent who has in-depth knowledge about everything in that particular area. This insider knowledge will reveal whether people are flocking to or fleeing from the area, ultimately influencing your tenant prospects. Tip number 3, compare property prices. It is the time to get cozy with a local real estate agent. Strike up a conversation to uncover what properties in the area are selling for. This knowledge not only helps you to gauge if a property aligns with your budget, but also gives you the insight into the market trends. Remember, understanding the market is like having a secret recipe for making a wise investment choices. Tip number 4, explore local rental potential. Imagine having a property that practically pays for itself. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it is a dream that can come true if you take the time to understand the local rental market, chat with the landlords, browse rental listing, and even have a conversation with the property management company. This way, you will have a clear picture of the potential income of your property. Number 5, visit the property site. It is the time to put on your investor hat and hit the road. This tip is not just about browsing online listing. No, we are talking about the physical visiting properties. Walking through a potential investment allows you to access its condition, its neighborhood, and the overall vibe. It's like a test driving a car before you buy it. Remember, seeing is believing, and the first-hand experience can save you from a costly mistake. So always consider these 5 tips if you want to invest in anywhere in the real estate market. If you have any queries, questions, you can write it down in the comment section. This is Anshuman, your property consultant, signing off.